You might not know this use for toilet paper. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Take a roll of toilet paper and place it on a board. Using a knife, cut the roll of toilet paper in half. Place one half in a container or on a plastic plate. Moisten it with water. Then, prepare some seeds. For better results, soak them in water for a moment. This will make it easier to spread them on the roll of toilet paper. Cover the roll with a plastic bag and put it in a dark place for 24 hours. After this time, take it out of the cupboard. As you can see, the seeds have sprouted much faster. Then, water them and place them on a windowsill. With sunlight, they will grow even faster. Water them several times a day. After 2 days, you will have ready-to-eat sprouts. As you can see, an ordinary roll of toilet paper works perfectly as a substrate for growing sprouts.